In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare and sell digital products using a zip file on Etsy. So whether you're a seasoned seller looking to streamline your process or a newcomer eager to dive into the world of digital sales, this step-by-step guide has got you covered. Let's start by preparing your zip folder. First, gather all the files you intend to sell, such as images, PDFs, or any other digital content you want to include. It's helpful to organize them into one specific folder on your computer to keep everything neat and tidy. Once you've got everything in the folder, it's time to compress it into a zip file. Simply right-click on the folder and a menu will appear. Look for the option that says Compress or Send to Compressed Zipped folder and select it. This action will instantly create a new zip file in the same location as your original folder, making it easier to upload later. Now that your files are all set, let's log into your Etsy account. Using your preferred browser, navigate to etsy.com and sign in using your credentials. Once logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen for your profile icon. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu. From here, select the Shop Manager option. This is your hub for all listings, sales, and shop management tasks. With the Shop Manager open, you have the choice to add a new listing or edit an existing one. If you're starting fresh with a new product, click on Listings, then select Add a Listing. Alternatively, if you want to add the digital files to an already existing product, click on Listings once more and find the specific listing you wish to update. After selecting the appropriate listing, scroll down until you find the Digital Files section. This is the area specifically designated for uploading your instant download files, ensuring they reach your customers seamlessly once they make a purchase. To upload your zip file, simply click on the Upload File button within this section. A File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to navigate through your computer files. Find and select the zip folder you prepared earlier. Once selected, it will upload to your Etsy listing, ready for your future buyers to access. With your file uploaded, it's time to finish your listing. Make sure to fill in all the necessary details like your product's title, a captivating description, and decide on the price. Once you're satisfied with everything, go ahead and click Publish to make the listing live, or Save if you intend to finalize it later. And there we have it. You're now set to offer your digital products efficiently on Etsy, ready to reach eager customers worldwide.